welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Penny and today's video is going to be a day in my life. So I woke up so late today. I woke up at 8 a.m. I was planning on waking up at 6:30, so I was very tired and all that. So yeah, I already took a shower, so I'm just going to make my breakfast and then wait for an hour before I go to the gym. It's Sunday morning and I hope it's not full today. I don't like it when it's so full. I'm just going to make my breakfast and then I'll show you what I usually eat in the morning. I don't always have breakfast, but since I'm going to the gym today, I need to eat something. If I don't, then I will faint and I don't want that to happen. There are no eggs in the house. I'm just going to have bread. I love brown bread, and this one is nice because it has seeds in it, and then cheese and sausage. So this is all I'm going to have for breakfast today. So my breakfast is finally ready, and this is what I'm having this morning. Guys, I'm not going to the gym, so I just decided to join my cousin. We are going to jog, and then I think later we'll pass by the mall. I'm ready. I'm wearing my gym outfit. I wanted to show you the whole outfit, but I can't. It won't fully show in this mirror. You are fast. Why are you wearing glasses? Are they not going to follow? No, bro. Do that. It's too late to do this. We're supposed to wake up at 6 or 5. Bro, it's beautiful. It's been beautiful. I'm already tired. The sun is out. Next time we should wake up at 5, not this time.
But the weather is nice today.
Yeah, it is. Woo.
And the weather was like this yesterday as well. So
yeah. Oh, I need water. I need to buy water. I think I don't usually run like this.
Go to the gym, bruh.
I know, but it's not the same.
Yeah.
So I have my what? This is my camera bag. Oh, so I just put in my phone, and this is my outfit. Do a little jump for us.
Jump. Okay.
That's cute enough. So we're here now in the mall. Then we're going to Food Lovers. I'm so tired. So we got smoothies. I got orange. What is your flavor?
Coconut something.
What is
Coconut
something?
surprise or something like that. Very nice.
I also like coconut, but I just wanted something different, you know. Can I not taste yours?
You know, I still think of tasting it.
I tasted hers, and there's actually no difference, but mine tastes like orange. Yo, I'm scared of cars, bruh. That one is very fast. What is here?
The craft center.
No.
All these things I believe are locally made.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Nice.
Hello.
I love this one.
Thank you.
Nice and colorful.
I believe this is gentleman making this. Is it sure.
Are you the one who made all this?
Yes.
Oh wow, this is so amazing.
Beadwork and the metalwork.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Like how long does it take to make one? Like for example,
That
that's one.
8 hours.
8. Oh, this. So it took like yo. This is so beautiful, guys. And this one's.
I know that feeling.
Nila, look at this one.
Yeah.
You know that you can like, I love this one. You know, ne? You see these lines here? You can put glitters instead.
It looks like glitter actually from this angle.
Hey, it does, but they are
So
not.
you have legit
They are
been
not.
on this big animal.
Yes.
How many years have you been doing this?
I've been 17 years.
17 years.
You started with what first?
I started with the geckos.
Mhm.
This is the geckos that you make with this. Oh, like the metal one. Like this one?
Yes, yeah, I started with these.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Because the resources were like free, you know, the can and
Oh, is it made from a beer can?
Yeah. it's
Oh,
made of
wow.
leather, Yeah.
Wow.
And then from the geckos, I made some bicycles. That was plain wire.
And then this one. What's this? A bike?
Like, yeah.
It's a bicycle.
So,
Ah.
in those days, there was no bead. Then we discovered beads.
Ah.
Using the beads.
Mm.
Oh, wow.
Look at this one. I love this one.
I love this.
Look at the cars.
It's always a nice thing. Still. So you have people buying from all over the world,
Yeah.
stopping by, buying souvenirs.
Mhm.
That's nice. That's nice. That's beautiful. Doing a beautiful job.
Yeah. Hmm.
Like a fruit basket.
Like a fruit basket, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Different sizes.
You do this by yourself or do you have an assistant?
No, I do them myself.
Oh my god.
Wow. Wow, look at this one. Dang. Oh,
So
hello.
one by one.
100% one.
Look at what he gave us. A flower. This is so beautiful. Let me see. Where is yours, Nela? Ah. I thought, oh. Oh,
Got
this is so
flowers.
kind. I don't know where I'm going to keep this, but yeah, in my room. Yeah, how come you didn't tell me about this place? Oh, this is so beautiful. I didn't ask. So I was supposed to ask next. Ah, you should also suggest sometimes.
I suggested it today, most.
Today is too late. Nela. Oh, this is so beautiful. How are people so talented like this? Huh? There's a what? Itengi. Oh. Ah. I see.
It's a big shop.
Yeah, it is. There are 3 floors here. So this chair is also for sale.
You guys, eh?
Yeah, bruh. Wow, this is so beautiful. Nilawa. Look at the handbags. Look at the handbags.
I'm looking at the journal.
Oof, me having this, ne? I have been looking rich.
Guys. I love it. Which one? It's so beautiful. Oh, now that's cute. Bring it closer. Just. Oh, now that's cute. That is fire.
And this is like real leather.
Yeah.
What animal
That's
is this?
probably a cow.
Really?
Yeah, that's fire. I love it. Oh wow.
Oh, there's another one here. Ah, but I love those ones. Ah, those ones are also beautiful.
Oh wow, Penny, look at that.
What? Oh, wow! This it can be a shopping bag, like grocery shopping bag. It's very strong. Yo, Shako. Oh, this is beautiful. Now, is this a gown or what? Ah, but I can wear this out. See, which one? Look at this. Oh, look at this one.
You can put your little jewelry there.
Now we are in the bookshop and we're trying to see if you will find any interesting books. What are you looking for? Science.
I wanted to get this the last time.
I want cooking books. What is this about?
Oh, Steve, some science, guys.
The God what?
The God's delusion. $100.
Okay guys, I finally found a book that I like, so I'm going to buy this one. It was so difficult to like find a book. I think it's easier when you know what you really want, like the book that you want, then you just ask them and then they'll give it to you, because here things are not like in order. It's like a second-hand bookshop, so you can see that there are like different books and all that. You have to be searching and reading everything. So yeah, I found what I like, and the books here are cheap. they're cheaper than buying the new ones, but it's good because some of them are really in good condition. You can see mine is still new, and this is just $50. In a lot. Let me see.
The 7 habits of highly effective people.
So after you're done reading that,
I'm going to be there.
I'm going to steal it from you. So just buy it. It's our book. I'm cooking dinner. I decided to make fish, so I'm going to fry fish and then porridge. So this is like one of my favorite food. So yeah, so I'm just frying the fish here. Oh, the oil is hot. I hope it's not too hot. I'm really scared of hot things. If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing my mask, I forgot to remove my mask because I was doing my nails. I was trying to do my nails and I didn't want any dust in my nose. So I'm going to continue with that later. Oh, I'm scared of this. So the porridge, I'm going to cook it here. It's not ready yet. And here there's just butter. Here there's butter, so I'm going to make soup here. And I'll use chakalaka for that. So I think I need to cut onions first in pieces and then I'll add in chakalaka. And I'm not sure if I'm going to record the whole process, but I will show you after I'm done, like how my food looks like. And you guys, if you're wondering what I'm wearing this garlic and co apron. They sell seafood, very, very tasty. I'll put their Instagram somewhere up here. So if you want to order seafood in Windhoek, you can just contact them. They're on Instagram. Okay guys, now it's time to cook the porridge. Everything is ready. I'm the best cook in our house when it comes to porridge. I think I'm not so used to you know, cooking with one hand. I think at the village you cook with like both hands. This is how we cook. But then now this pot is, you know, it's not like stable and all that. So I can't really cook the way I usually cook. I think it's not enough. I need more flour. So I'm just going to wait for like 5 minutes and then it will be ready. Okay, my food is ready and this is what I'm having for dinner. Tasty, tasty. I can't wait to finish this. So I decided to do my nails and I'm using my cousin's machine. I have two colors here. I have black and white. I don't know which one to choose yet. And then we have here we have the top coat and then the base coat. So I'm just going to use 3 of this. So if you guys want to do your nails, you can contact Nails by Tasha on Instagram. I'll also put the link in the description down below. So she's really good at doing nails. I also want her to teach me, but I think I have to pay for that. So see, my nails are always short like this. I like short nails. I try doing my own nails, but I'm not so good. I'm really, every time, I think this is the 3rd time I'm trying to do this, and they always come out like so horrible. Like, I don't even want to lie to you, but today I'm going to show you the results. I'm just worried about the color because it's like summer. I don't know if I should do black. I think I like black more, like in winter and all that. It looks nice and all that. So maybe I should try white. I'm going to be here for, I don't know, maybe 2 hours because I'm very slow. Just trying to file my nails again. I was already doing that, but I think I need to do it again. And then after I will start with everything. It's really so difficult to show you the whole process because it's going to take long, and you know I can't be filming for like 2 hours, you know, and it's hot in here. So I'm done doing my nails, and this time I chose the white color. So I think they look better this time. Let me just try and focus this. This is how they look like, and I put glitters on the thumb. So I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay, I put glitters here. It's so difficult to focus this camera, but yeah, they don't look that bad. I can go out with these. I'm not so heavy, but I can maybe stay with this for like a week or so, and then I'll tell my cousin to properly do my nails. So it's late. I need to get ready for bed because it's so late. Guys, you can't believe it's actually 1 a.m. and I have to sleep, but I'm not working tomorrow, so it's fine. I think I'll sleep around 2 a.m. then. So yeah. Oh, this one, I didn't show you this one. This one is even worse. Oh my goodness. I really tried. I thought I would do better this time, but nah, this is not my thing. Maybe I should try again next time. So it's time for me to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.